Crazy, you guys have cheering dust, and then you have controls versus just VC, and they're both
totally
around like
wiped out
40 kills.
43 and 12.
Yeah,
Like, how do we think that's legit?
Yeah.
Not legit, it's obvious cheats, but it's a cheater versus two of the best
legit.
players we have in Sandstorm. That's like the ultimate matchup. It's like Olympics, but like drug-addled meth heads versus the best.
Actually, what I'd really like to see is I'd like to see Zoot. Yes, he's a piece of shit versus VC.
Hopefully you should still come in. It
says preparing.
Focus on the objective, damn it!
What's the map?
Must mean that I'm gonna go into another one.
Yeah, what's the map? We're in refinery.
Refinery. Non-binary.
Oh, you're in forest. Shame.
0 waves.
Look, Grin just got in too.
You're watching it?
Okay, they're finished firing. Barrage complete. We're taking out
They what? Yeah.
You know how to make bubble tea?
I thought they had bubble tea there.
I haven't bought it before, but they definitely have a couple of them at some of
What kind of bubble tea?
Taking Bravo!
Flavor.
Why do you wear armor? That's my real.
I used to just like the Taro was a popular one. But I know how unoriginal.
now I'm like a
Okay, we got Bravo!
Yeah, that was really untrue.
Fucking way! Mistaken, we got it! Push forward, brother!
Stand that wait! Hang on!
Alright, you hit it. Station out.
Boom, boom!
Stand a team, asshole. What are you doing?
Okay, I'm on Delta!
Observer, this is station. We're
Securing Delta! Get back! Get back! Have them do a gun run on Miss Robin! Hurry!
This isn't Roger that!
Wait for it!
Observer, this is station. Roger that. They'll be there in a jiffy. Coming in hot. Firing.
خلي بالك.
Observer, this is Station. We're ready to assist. Just let us know what you need.
I'm reloading. Stop them.
Yeah, I guess hold on, everyone. I guess maybe, possibly.